up guys, today watching another video. Today's gonna be a little different vlog than usual. We're actually going to dinner right now for the homie Josh's birthday. Josh Laurent, you all know Josh with the Lambo. Today is his birthday. I think it's his 22nd birthday. Must be nice to be young, bro. With the Lambo. I'm an old man, dude. Fun fact, I actually turned 26 in like 2 or 3 weeks, guys. I'm really old, bro. I'm old. A lot of people probably think I'm young too, like 21 or something, but I'm actually old, bro. It's kind of sad. Oh! Anyways, today we're gonna go to dinner for his birthday. Everyone's gonna be there. Fresh Kicks, Josh, Jay, David. Literally all the homies are gonna be there today. It's gonna be tight. I'm gonna try to vlog the dinner. I don't know, I've never done that before. Do some little lifestyle vlogs. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. We're almost at 200K subscribers. Also smash the like button for me before we get into the video. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into today's video. Let's go. Look guys, we made it. Josh's birthday, bro. We made it. We're finally out the house. David? You brought David out the house today? Kicks? I know. FNLLC for paying us good.
We're on a FNLLC dinner tonight.
Hell no, FNLLC. FindingNick's out of business, brother. We're bankrupt.
Everyone that got a mask, thank you.
Yeah, it's the first one.
Why are you making me drink, brother?
It's your birthday.
It's not my birthday. We gotta make Josh drink. So I got a burger, some fries,
Not just any burger.
some water. What kind of burger?
Wagyu burger.
Wagyu burger? You're rich.
Extra mac and cheese.
Jay got a burger too. David didn't get food because he doesn't have money.
My boy has cars tomorrow. Let's start a GoFundMe.
He has that F80 payment. Like, David's so happy, bro.
350K for a burger.
Let's see David's first reaction.
Oh my god. This is my first meal all day.
Birthday to you.
John.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. You like that?
You gotta blow that whole thing.
You can't blow that shit out.
Do it, Nico.
You blow it, Nico. Oh! Hey.
Okay, so
This was spitting on everyone.
I don't know what he's doing.
What is up, everybody? We're back at it again. I don't know if we didn't put this in the fucking video.
Better would work.
Cheers.
Jay taking a shot. Oh my god, Jay, you're so fine.
I don't know if we didn't put that in. It's worth a try.
Yeah, it is.
Where's Nico going, bro?
Oh, what are you doing, bro?
What are you doing, bro?
It's cold, bro.
You got all the car homies out here. Look at Josh with the Lambo. Nico, don't crash it, bro.
Nigga, I won't crash.
If you crash it, you buy me another GTR.
I'll buy you another one. I'll buy you a Nismo. How about that? Sheesh, we in this.
With the stars too?
Oh yeah.
Damn.
It ain't got shooting stars though.
No shooting stars. What the fuck is this? I got a ticket?
You're lying.
Bro!
Ticket?
I got a ticket, guys.
How much is it?
Why?
Did you pay?
Yeah, I paid. Same because I didn't park head in, bro. But I'm not gonna do that with my lip. There's no way they give me a ticket. $58 just because I didn't park head in. Look at guys, I saw these signs when I parked. Head in parking only. Do not back in parking spaces. And I backed in because obviously we're car guys. We don't back in. Look, he's even backed in. I think they gave him a ticket too. I think this guy got a ticket too. Look at him. Head in parking, bro. They gave him one too, the same one.
25?
58, 60 bucks? 60 bucks because I didn't park head in. That guy got a ticket too, look. Expensive ass dinner plus a ticket, guys. Sheesh.
Pay the ticket.
You're gonna pay the ticket from here.
You pay the ticket.
Listen, fuck that Nissan Altima.
Alright guys, now we made it to Rodeo Drive. Once again, I feel like we were just here in the last vlog, but we got the GTR out here. We had dinner. I think Josh is on his way too in the Lambo, so I don't know what we're gonna do because it's a weekday, so it's probably not lit today. We got masks on up on Rodeo. We look like we're about to rob these stores. But right now, guys, shopfindingnick.com if anyone wants these ski masks. They came out fire. They're almost sold out, so if anyone wants them, go grab them right now. It's the first link down below, shopfindingnick.com. We all got them on.
This is Josh Laurent's store right here. Take the Saint Laurent only. You feel me?
We look like we're about to rob these stores.
Straight hookers out here.
I hear the Lambo. shit sounds so sick, bro. Damn. Must be nice, Josh. It just sounds so good coming up the street.
Ah, no one's in here.
Loudest freaking Lambo ever. No girl today?
No girl today?
Josh's birthday fit though.
Oh yeah, little baby fit. That ass. This is little baby
Bro,
fit.
you know that's what I thought of
Yeah.
when I put it on. I
Bro,
was like,
little
this is
baby wears this. Yeah.
This like a baby fit.
Bro, that's tough.
Sheesh, look at the 3 Musketeers.
The 3 Musketeers.
The 3.
Let's give him a fire. Here in the garage right now with the GTR and the giveaway Z. Hopefully we can give this thing away soon. I'll be announcing everything on this soon, but today we're gonna be talking about the GTR, guys. I don't want to take these wheels off because I love the look of the 18-inch wheels with the fat tire on it. But if you guys have watched the last videos, you guys know that the tires are wearing out super bad. I mean, this is all bald, bro, and I still feel like I have some tread, but honestly, to be safe, I think I'm gonna just swap them to the stock wheels, guys, because this isn't safe for how much I drive. Look at all the wires, guys. It's super sketchy. You guys can see all the wires. Look at this. So it's super scary, bro. Like, it gets even worse, bro. Yeah. I don't want this tire blowing out on the freeway or something when I'm driving like over 100 miles per hour. Imagine it blows out, bro, and my whole fender gets messed up or the car crashes or something worse. I'm gonna just take them off for now. I already told the homie Peds to order the tires. I was being cheap because these tires are not cheap, guys. I wanted to try to flip them around and see how long they last, but honestly, I don't want to risk it anymore. So I told them, order the tires, bro. Let's just get the new tires. So they told me it shouldn't take that long. So hopefully we get the new tires mounted to these wheels soon. For now, we're gonna be rocking the stock wheels, guys. I believe they're 19s or 20s. They're huge, bro. They don't look that bad. They kind of look like TE37s, like a little knockoff brand TE37. But we're about to head to my dad's work right now because that's where my stock wheels are. And we're gonna see how the GTR looks with the stock wheels again. I'm not too happy, but whatever. It's just temporary, just for this weekend, because I think this weekend we might go on a rally. Be a lot of driving, so I definitely need to swap tires today. Wow, look at the sunset, bro. Damn, the sky looks crazy. Also, guys, if you guys have not already, go cop the new ski mask on the website right now. ShopFindingNick.com. I'll leave the link down below, but we got new ski masks available. They're almost all sold out, so go grab them right now while you can. They look so sick, and I can't wait to see you guys all rocking them at car meets and stuff like that. Me and all the homies have ski masks on everywhere we go now. I'll leave the link down below, ShopFindingNick.com. Grab one before they sell out, because once they're gone, guys. I'm not restocking them. Gotta put these on real quick. Actually, we get some traction off. The downshift sounds so good. Ah, traffic. All the helicopters that my dad is working on right now. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new to the channel, my dad works on helicopters, bro. He's a helicopter mechanic. Pretty much the same thing as when we take our cars to the shop. They come here for like oil changes and engine swaps. Everything, literally. These are the stocks, black edition wheels. Good thing they're black and they're not like the ugly stock wheels. These are like the more, I think, sporty version of the stock GTR wheels. They look a little bit better than just regular stocks. But still, they don't look like this though. What is that?
It's a Gazelle.
Old military helicopter or something. Sheesh. Was it actually like used for the military?
Yeah, the British military.
British military? What the heck? I would not get in that thing. This thing looks way too old.
1970.
Oh hell no, 1970? I'm not getting that. Oh my god, look what's here. My drift car, guys. You guys haven't seen this in a long time. Oh, poor car. Literally haven't done anything to it. It's just sitting here. I looked at how long it's been down. It's actually been down for like a year, guys. 1 year without this car. Oh my god, it doesn't even feel like that long. But at the same time, it kind of does, huh? But it's sad, bro. I need to bring this car back to life. E46 M3, if you guys are also new to the channel. This is my drift car. Look at the inside. All gutted. Race car, roll cage, e-brake, everything you need to drift. All we need to do is just order a new angle kit. One of these. Look at this wheel. God damn, this wheel's messed up. Anyways, let's swap these wheels real quick. Say goodbye to the 18s for now. Look guys, they don't look too bad. It's not that bad. They look kind of cool. I think it's like right here. Look, the whole tire has like a lump, guys. I don't know if it's able to pick up on camera, but it's literally lumping. This shit was ready to blow. And they're so bald, bro. This used to have like a big thread like this in the middle, and look, it's completely gone. There's no thread in the middle. This one only has right there. That's the only wear on the front of this one. The rest of the tire looks honestly fine. This one could have definitely lasted longer, I feel like. Yeah. Oh, it's such a waste, bro. Cause like some of them are wearing out more than others. And it's like, dude, I can't just buy 1 or 3 tires. I might as well buy all of them. And like this front one's fine, but the other front one is horrible. You guys will see when we take it off the car right now, but it just sucks. Honestly, some of you guys might like the stock look better than the ZE40s that I have. They look pretty good. They're not that bad. The only thing that sucks is that I need a spacer, and I don't know where I put my spacers at. So they're a little bit tucked in. Super tucked in, bro. So that kind of sucks. The fitment's trash, but like I said, it's just temporary until we get some new tires for those ones. Our Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Pretty sure these are expensive ass tires, but these are the ones that came with the car, and they have a lot of thread, so these are good. You guys, this one is bad. Look how much wires are showing on this one. God damn, that is not safe at all, bro. Not too bad. This is a new wheel setup, guys, for a little bit. What do you think? Comment down below. They honestly look like some TE37s, to be honest. And I think they're actually Volks. Like, they're actually raised too. These come on the black editions only, so my car's a black edition. Raised, Ford, so they're pretty light. And the Volk raised. Yeah, these are done, bro. Look at my NASCAR. It was funny, someone commented I got F1 style wheels with the F1 cars. Look how bald, bro. I got them like April 1st or something like that. So almost a year these lasted me. But like I said, I drive a lot. So if you're just driving your car normally, not daily driving it like me, you guys will probably last way longer than a year. But this is what happens when you drive it every single day like I do. This is my dad's work if you guys want to check it out real quick. Got some helicopters, some little ones, big ass ones. This one's worth like a couple $1 million. Isn't that crazy, guys? A couple $1 million helicopter right here. More than an SVJ, a couple SVJs. We always trip out about like SVJ owners or Lamborghini owners and like what do they do for a living, but what does this guy do for a living? Like he could have bought like 4 SVJs or 5 SVJs for the price of this. That's insane to think about, that there's people making that much money, bro. That's crazy. Oil changes, engine swaps, taking everything apart to like the bare minimum and then putting it all back together. It's pretty crazy. The whole cylinder is out. That's crazy. Like, how do you even know what to do?
I have manuals.
What is this, Dad?
That's a counter plug.
I just wanted to point out something random to see if my dad knows.
It's a pressure switch.
That's crazy.
So this had an electrical problem.
Electrical problem? And you had to figure it out.
Start the engine, and it took me like 20 hours to figure it out.
20 hours? What? What's my dad doing, bro? Oh my god. That's the engine?
Yeah, turbine. Yeah.
The turbine engine. Damn, that's crazy. The helicopter taking off. Or landing, actually. I don't know if you guys are able to see it because of the bright light, but...
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.